Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will discuss Capgemini interview experience. So first is introduction, then what is memory leak in C? A memory leak occurs when the programmer create a memory in heap and fail to recall to delete it. It then decreases the efficiency of the performance of the entire system. Next question is what are the basic concept of OOP languages? The elementary OOP concepts are object, class, method, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, and abstraction. So, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, and abstractions are the four pillars. So, we will be discuss them. Abstraction is the process of showing only essential necessary feature of an entity object to outside world and hide the other irrelevant information. Next is encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping up data and member function together into single unit that is class. Inheritance, the ability of creating a new class from an existing class. Inheritance is when an object acquires the property of another object. Inheritance allow a class to acquire the properties and behavior of another class. Polymorphism. The word poly means many and morphs means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. A subclass can define its own unique behavioral and still share the same functionalities or behavioral of its parent or base class. So next is autoboxing and unboxing in Java. Autoboxing, automatic alteration of primitive type of a thing of their corresponding wrapper class, is understood as a autoboxing. For example, conversion of int into integer, long into long, double into double, etc. Unboxing is simply the reverse process of autoboxing, automatically converting an object of a wrapper class to its corresponding primitive type is referred as unboxing. For example, conversion of integer into int, long into long, double into double, etc. Next is difference between primary and secondary key. Primary key, it is used for unique identification of two row. We have only one primary key per table. A primary key is one among the candidate keys or irradical super keys counting on database designer. Secondary key. Secondary key is used for identification of rows but is not usually unique. We can have multiple secondary keys per table. The attribute used for secondary key aren't those used for super key. That is, super secondary key doesn't even have one among the super key. Next is cloud computing. Cloud computing is one of the on demand available of the computer system resources, especially to data storage and computing power, without any direct active management by the user. Some of the very famous cloud services provider are like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and IBM Cloud, etc. What do you mean by cloud delivery models? Cloud delivery models are the models that represent the computing environment. These are as follows. Infrastructure as a services. Infrastructure as a services is a delivery of a services including an operating system, storage, networking, and various utility software elements on a request basis. Platform as a services is a mechanism for combining infrastructure as a services with an abstracted set of middleware services, software development, and development tools. These allow the organization to have a consistent way to create and deploy applications on cloud or on premises environment. Software as a services is a business application created and hosted by a provider in a multi-tenant model. Function as a services gives a platform for customers to build, manage, and run apps functionality without the difficulty of maintaining infrastructure. One can thus achieve a serverless architecture. So some HR questions like tell me about your habits and what do you know about Capgemini.